Did you know that fast food can age you faster? That burger might be delicious, but it's silently damaging your body. Fast food is loaded with trans fats, high sodium, and hidden sugars, leading to obesity, heart disease, and even early aging. Studies show that consuming too much junk food weakens your immune system, slows metabolism, and increases cravings, keeping you trapped in a cycle of unhealthy eating. But don't worry, cutting back on fast food and switching to whole, unprocessed meals can drastically improve your health and energy. Your body will thank you. Want to learn more about the best foods for a healthy life? Hit that subscribe button and let us know, what's your biggest fast food craving?